Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to change country region on iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, open App Store and tap here top of the right corner. Now tap on your iCloud sign. Verify your fingerprint. As well as you can see here country region, tap on it. As you can see here, change country or region, tap on it. Select country as well as you like. Tap on agree. Again tap agree. Tap on none. Enter street name. City. Now choose state. Enter phone number. And tap next. Now tap on done. Country region has been changed. That's it. Hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video.